Happy birthday, boss. Yes, this message now to Elvis Edigin Naija watch. Mona invite Elvis. Edigin Naija watch come here. Make her watch this. Make her listen to me. Elvis. Elvis. What movie? I think you be producer. Elvis. I beg, when you produce movie last, that time they tell me say you dey do movie, you dey as you are into Nollywood. Elvis, you know Obi Edigin. Where you a movie? Hey, Jesus. I have never seen a boy like Elvis. I have never seen a coward like Elvis. A coward. You know why? You know why my own day different? If I don't like you, I don't like you. I don't dey pretend. I don't dey fake friendship. I don't sabi pretend. As we speak today, I don't get prosy accounts. I didn't insult people. How? That's one of the characteristics of a coward. They hide behind prosy, pseudo accounts to insult people. Because they fear who they want to insult. Now they use prosy. You understand? This is why people they use prosy they attack, but they fear me. And they fear me say, I don't make a bad news and I made insult her. Make a go create fake accounts. Naija watch anyway you want here. EGV Naija watch. Everybody will feel wet. Jesus. Naija watch. That's how you gonna be. It's a low boy. Now say I want to do Saga again. I want to reply people again. And the people that called me that I gave my word, they are impressed. In fact, when they come to they say, but if they tell us say you go feel really quiet like this for social media, we not go believe. But you have proved to us that you are a man. I said, well, it like make anybody mention my name, I won't mention their name. But I will mention the cowards. People will fear me. When of you come out, say yes, about versus this person. Yeah, I know if you come and make I hide behind Esan agenda. Let me get people to come and talk about Esan. Let me get people to come and blast air. They are looking for videos of where people are. If they look for video where they insult me, just go Naija watch here, whatever. In fact, let me go even get Naija watch Facebook. In fact, let me get the Naija watch YouTube. If you go Naija watch, first video about Obase, second video about Obase, third video about Obase. Waiting there happen, my brother. What? Today I said make I call thank you. I said make I call thank you. Elvis Edigin West. Elvis Edigin USA Naija watch. Thank you for promoting me. Thank you. But all the senseless videos against Obase, they did Naija watch. Anybody if you want to do interview, if you want interview and you need a free platform, free of charge, you don't go pay. just chat Naija will say, I want to insult Abat. I want to insult Abat. Please, I want interview. Sharply. Sharply. The boy will just abandon everything when they do. Go just have to interview you. Now, I want to tell you people about Elvis Edigin. The last time when I draw a leg come out, you come begin to call people who are very close to me, people like Eboston and some other persons. On our way near here, he said, they beg me. Eboston can't call me. He can't say, not everything they talk. Elvis, Naija was. I got say, Eboston, my man, Ugwane. Now let me tell you what is happening. People talk about money everywhere. Money, how about here money? How about here dollars? How about? No wahala. Me, I know. If I respond, I'm not coming about Obaze. But the person where all these things pay pass. Now Naija Watch call me. He called me. The thing he want cry. He said during election, me they give people money to work. Me not give her money. I say with all due respect, my brother. When my when are governor? I say Elvis, you know they're digging. When man went on the governor, he said he worked for a governor. I said, how? How you work for governor? Hey, Elvis, Naija Watch. Also, they record well. I want to make he upload our phone conversation. Megile labi illiterate ni, ave mani gbogbo ani. Megile ni Italo. But I want people to know who Naija Watch really be. A great, and I'm going a great. Oh yeah, we are the governor. How? How you do for governor? What video you do for governor? Say vote PDP, vote Obaseki. What video you do for governor? He say no. He say no come out openly. He said, he activate, he said this guy, they work under him. Stephen Eriamatoy. What just with him? I said, Stephen Eriamatoy. And then Stephen, they do videos for Naija Watch. Did you tell Stephen to work for? But he said, yes, now. He said that he tell Stephen to work for Mr. Governor, His Excellency. I said, Stephen. I say, everyone cut 1 to 20 social media influencers for Europe will work for His Excellency Mr. Governor. Estimate away. Hey, estimate on your coat. And I was why me view. I share a video because on YouTube. Anyway, I don't say Stevie. Now you say yes now. Stevie area matter. They Naija Watch team. Say now he tell Stephen to work for. Now he said now he plant Stephen to work for Governor Obaseki. I said I don't know. If I want, if they say make a cut 20 social media influencers for Europe, Stephen not there inside. For Christ's sake, Stephen not fit there inside anyway. Oh, what an attack in here, yeah. Anyway, my brother Stephen don't know. We know he's there inside. Anyway, my brother Naija Watch. You don't fit tell me. I don't say they record me. Oh, I can't guide my ways. Where? Yeah, I suppose where. I'm smarter than you. Where? I'm far smarter than you. Even when we could get when man like here up, when we upload a video again and you hate them. You hate them like a plague. We hate here. But because of the few dollars that you get from YouTube, my man then will give me 50,000 views to say, show me one video in the last 3 months when election finished, when Naija was get 10,000 views. Show me one video. I have a video I did a week ago that is 748,000 views, almost 1 million views. Abatobaze. I don't need Saga to be popular. I don't need people like him to be popular. I know the content to put out to get natural organic views. In a way, I'm not going to I'm here and the Naija she must send a message. You say governor, or message the governor. You say Crusoe, Mr. Pedro. Do you know what he said? Message you were here women or God. He said that he get the biggest social media platform for Europe. Say, Condi. I will love to do a letter or maybe a letter. Yeah, no way what you remember the girl feel letter. No way, in a way, if you don't when work for governor, they don't want appreciation letter. They are not even asking me because it was a fight of the Benin's. It was an Edo fight. So who fight genuinely now call and say give me appreciation letter? Why are glass why are you visa? I know Naija was go. He can't talk. I can't hear say they send, and I told you, I said I'm so disappointed in you. How you say you work for governor? And an amigo you go insult governor, you go post them for your platform. Me Abatoba say I go come out. Come counter with it and amigo talk. You go post them. So person go support governor. You go post them. Another one go insult governor. You go post them. You were getting views and making money from the 2 major political platforms, PDP and APC. So how you take support governor? Tell me. On a road of well, like one day where if you said Dickens Father is a politician, all PDP, my already my campaign. But you did not come out openly. When you know if you come out openly now, you get very wide. I said then you did not work for governor. Why are you asking me why I did not mobilize you? I don't think can't join people who work for governor. Now why Naija was the verse for me. The verse for me. People don't talk about election. There's no political party when not mobilize funds into media. It's not possible. Media was the major arm of that campaign. In any campaign, even for America, everywhere all over the world, media is key. Media is number one communication. So I owe no one apology. I owe no one explanation. I am the boss of the crack team. My name is Albert Obaze. I am not an illiterate. He is cool. Since then, Egbera no kai. Egbera no kai. We don't see Daniyaji. We don't see Daniyaji. Why me Daniyaji? That man is minding his business. You will never see anybody say, the only, stop carrying my video. Stop carrying my video. The only person that must carry my video is Daniyaji. No! But we don't see many people say, stop carrying my video. Stop carrying my video. The only person that will carry my video, Naija Wash, underground politics. Or to bring Daniyaji down. Daniyaji, they lame. He's not playing useless underground politics. Egbe wherever you say the game. Facebook can't help people that many of these our Europe bloggers, their page have been monetized. They now make money from their videos. If they are online, you see adverts. They are making money. So if you are not creating your content, that's zero for you or your. if you are not creating your content, or you're for you, or you. So them people like them Naija Watch, if you said Digi, they are not creating their content. They are just carrying people's content. And the Murphy versus this one versus this one, Abba versus this one. Step up your game. Stop all this thing you're doing. Step up. Invest money in content. Go to Lagos, look at Brother Shaggy. Look at Nosares. Look at Edo people doing big things. We're in Lagos there. Invest money in content. Stop all this set people up. Hey, Abba just mentioned you today. You need to respond. That's what you were doing with me and Dion. That's what you were doing with me and Dion. We are setting him up. Me and Yeko will hang out. And Dion will say, hang out. You were using us to make money, but it's difficult for you to make money now. Everybody's page is monetized. How you love it. We are the buff video because the person already, Facebook or YouTube already pay the person. So we are the bottom with the video. No matter your editing, if the person get copyright rights, without copyright, YouTube or Facebook will still end up paying that person because the content belongs to the person. You have to go and walk. You have to go and walk. So all this one I see, I felt tell them say Naija Watch, now my friend, 2015. I still have that that message that he sent to me on Facebook, begging me to use Outlawed Truth Movement to push his blog. I still have that message. Now maybe the Lord of Archive. He approached me. When we hear you Outlawed Truth Movement, my first platform. The platform is still there with over 46,000 followers. 2015, a key platform in it. He approached me to use my platform to drive his own this thing. I am one of the people that donated my platform to grow Naija Watch. That's why he cannot engage me. He can only hide behind some illiterates, people that he can recruit to fight me. Elvis, come out. Now you be the engine room of all this crisis on social media. I've said it countless times because you're making money from it. Come out and engage me. Why are you running away from me? Why you they run? Why they run? After election, I told everyone, I said I am going back to my second address, real estate. Now I am not delving into entertainment. We are cooking some things now. When we say, by the time we boss, hey, I'm here about it. Very soon I will see. When I will see something where they cook, I will know say me. I think outside the boss. So I'm not here to engage anybody or to mention. She wouldn't see Eddie Murphy some days ago to say make anybody not carry a video again. Only Naija Watch. That was what he wanted to use me to do before. He wanted me to do an open announcement to say no other person, only Naija Watch. When I see me do one, no. Not the way. Why only you? Why? Why only you? Why only you? Why the way somebody one live video presenter will come and say I don't want anybody to be carrying my video, only Daniyaji. No! Daniyaji is just minding his business. He just do it thing. Now let Naija Watch they do that nonsense. Because he knows how to manipulate people. There are people who do media today. I tell them, I say, please, from the beginning, don't let anybody carry your content. Never bother. Anybody won't like you when they come your wall. I don't want to mention their name. They listen to me. Nobody they feel they touch their content. Facebook and YouTube don't help everybody. Almost everybody is monetized now. So if I never created content here, they are suffering today. So please, nobody should call me. A lot of people have been calling me, how bad? What you do, Naija Watch? Why be saying that only they carry all the negative stuffs against you? As a liver, I say liver is empty. The only way to get views now is when you carry any anti-Abatobaze content. Now, if you go to Naija Watch today, Abatobaze, the guy don't frustrate. Before, if Naija Watch carry your video, you'll be happy. But now, I succeeded in breaking that monopoly. It break a monopoly me. Now, me 10% may stop everybody, stop all these people from carrying their videos. It break that monopoly. You should go and check. I challenge you, Naija Watch, post your monthly earning. I don't remote from YouTube. If you make $5,000 from YouTube, Naija Watch, I will give you $1 million cash. I challenge you. At the end of this month, post your YouTube earning. Post it and say, this is what I earn. We are making $5,000 at the end of this month. Naija Watch, I will give you $1 M. Because you set people up. Have you seen a video about Tobaze just did this, so you to respect the Mofi go respond to me? Maybe Josagi, that's what you were doing. I'm sure if Josagi watch this video, Joe will not say many times they when you call him, say about do this thing. Why they do that kind of thing? Invest your money on content. So Ave is a with your live platform when he is a me, I go for me and the beat messenger and the beat who send the message. Now I come for you this night. And you got no balls. You got no balls, my brother, to engage me. You got no balls. I'm a beer we said to engage me. Either for street to me and you know say we know each other. Me. If you like go carry all the essence, you cannot instigate the essence against me. That's what you are trying to do. You want a situation whereby by the time you continue to channel this content, one day they will attack me or they will shoot my enemy. You cannot. I'm still talking to the real essence leaders, and they understand my message. I don't engage all these riffraffs, all these rodents. They are rodents. They are rodents. They are charlatans. We are engaged here. We platform when here. They are charlatans. I discuss with their leaders. People that pay their big bills. People that pay their rent. Because I'm a big fish. I be shark for this game. Ain't no one here paid my dues. If you got the balls, identify with one political party. And then many people will even know say, Amigo get structure past you. Elvis, Amigo get structure past you. Let it end here. I want to say a big thank you for donating your platform to promote Abatobaze. The reason why I do this video is to let people know say all this is for you to get views. And those views don't reach anything again. Now change they make. You they shock now. They shock you. As we speak, City Naija is 308,000 followers. Naija Watch, post your insights. Make I post my insights. You be baby. You be a gwen. My platform hits over 4.5 million on every 7 days. Post your insights. Make I post my insight. You feed with gossip. I feed with real content. Elvis, send this message to Elvis and all the blogs wanna carry this content. All this division. Hey, don't carry this one. We chill in Lagos now for Songo Tedo. Me with time. All this to tell me, he tell me this one. If everybody carry your video, you don't go to make money. That what you just do that, just give only the right to Naija Watch. I said, no, I can't do that. I'm sorry. Instead, I will stop everybody. Now it can't affect her. Naija Watch cannot upload my video. I dare you. They're not born you to upload my video. What you're trying to do, there's one Cephas number. You are not bringing him on steady online. Cephas, he's engaged now. Let me tell you, Naija Watch, if you want to fight Mr. Obaseki, please fight governor. Your father did the camp of PDP when not they happy with the governor now. I understand all this your noise and your many people don't know me and you will know each other. Your father did the other side. But I choose not to say anything about this PDP internal crisis because I believe the matter will be resolved. My brother, if you now your page that they blast governor, how you content support governor now? Anybody who want to insult governor now, Naija Watch they go. Tomorrow you're going to tell the latte. I will latte like Buffy, I will Loretta. Oh, where I supported the governor. Governor should come and appreciate me. I got a letter or wherever go. A letter wherever go. A letter wherever go. Everybody you a boy. What did letter do for you? They not give you letter. They not give you letter. I just support governor. Let me tell you, Naija Watch, if you want to fight the governor, just come and say, my name is Elvis Edigi. I want to know what His Excellency is doing. Anybody when you saw governor, you put up for your platform. For months now, I have never seen you post a video of what the governor is doing. I never see you post governor video of some of the things where His Excellency they do. But you always like to post videos of attack, videos of people criticizing and insulting the government. That is what you enjoy because that is giving you small dollars. And they check your views now. How much YouTube they pay? Where give me go? All you bar. I'm a wobia. Naija Watch hero. How about Naija Watch? Can't you see that? I see one video when he do. He was trying to do something different. He get the view. 445 views. 445. If I drop video aside all this Edo matter, if I drop video and the video not reach 20,000 views, I go the verse. My apostle Kasi Chuku say make I off mic. Yes, my pastor. Yes, my leader. Thank you. You say make I off the mic. No, I go off the mic today. No, Wahala, sir. Okay, sir. Apostle Kasi Chuku say make I off mic. No, I don't offer. But Apostle, the reason why I don't say there's another that says in be that Amaka Moria will get to the waiting to know. For Naija Evisedigi might say in the help all these charlatans when and most of the time they are so dull. Here you view, ne? Imagine Naija Watch go day live, 200 people watching, 100 people watching, 50, 60 Naija Watch. What day you can Naija Watch, Naija Watch. Why what day you can I read that you might believe. So Apostle Kasi Chuku, my boss, my leader, thank you. You say make I off the mic. No worry, I go off the mic. I go off the mic. I also make I can't clear because it they want push me, make it be about versus this one. No, I don't pass that level. Instead, I will drag him come out. It's here like there. Check this thing now. When you are planning another, may God continue to bless Dan Yaji. Dan, continue to do your thing. I mean, want to let down the current video while I will. Why get every single manipulate to what? Why give a Dan video what? A Dan in my approach me one day way about. Hey, what we're going to do now? Hey, stop these people from carrying your video. Make it business and let me they carry your video. Now what thing Naija Watch they do? You don't do it to me. I don't listen to that because I smart person. It goes school. They school on you. They school on you. We don't more certificate of Oreladia. Ni more Oreladia. We don't when everything more Oreladia. Every so near Digi. We don't more memory Meladia. You don't feel use me, but I say they use people. Stop carrying my video. Only Naija Watch. Stop carrying my video. Hey, why? What did Dan do now? Dan be carrying my videos. Naija, I give you the right. If you see any of my videos, go ahead and upload. Go ahead and upload. Do your thing. Create your content. Now what I like about Izzy Ogbede, Izzy don't touch anybody content. She's creating her own, and she banned people from carrying her videos. Now one of Naija was at me, this is what they always insult me, Linda Eboho. Now she there so. All the Linda Eboho, give me when I people, everyone that don't get their page monetized. So one of the video. Yeah, the boy edit it. If they even edit video now, they put up for their this thing. It will rave because no any YouTube will pay on it. So when you do it, you don't go to edit it, don't have value, don't go away. So Pastor Cassie, thank you very much. I mean, you know, say all this point when they insult me, they try to create this tribal fight between the Benis and the Esan. I don't meet very big Esan leaders, and they understand my position. And from next week when I will start, this is some things with some Esan leaders what they do. They're already coming out to call their people to order to say, hey, this guy is not our enemy. Let's look inward. We will thank him for someone with the courage to talk to us, because we have the time to really look around and work on this unity. Let's have one voice. So as we speak, again, Naija was shaking back there. Oh, share swag for where. Look at Yore now. Oh, the boy, if not Yore is monetized. So you, I go with your book. Abiani came money soon yenia. Why gonna work? Abi sama gwani. Abi one old man when say when they talk today, somebody draw my attention. Any low. Eramato Stevie, Eramato does it wrong. Cause Eramato they talk again. I know him, so let me off the mic. According to Pastor Kasichuku. So Elvis, young winner. Go and walk. Go and be hardworking. Since morning I walk at day. When I hear nothing is free in Freetown. Be hardworking. This one say, Albert, you really fancy Izzy Ogbede? Yes, she's real. She's down to where she's doing her stuff. She's not competing with anybody. That's why I keep praying for her not to be doing this saga with people. Let her continue to do her thing and talk about sex education. People are learning from her every day. Not get anyhow you take look at. People are learning from her. Even before she started doing videos, we've been friends on Facebook for a very long time. So I pray for her to continue to do well. Okay? Elvis, go and create your content. A video and Udomu. Yawa where go? No, I don't where go? Omo Iliwa Udianoro Egbe now continue, please. If you no, I don't want to talk about Dion for now. Please don't drag me to talk about Dion. I don't talk about Dion. Dion will insult me. Dion will insult me. You know, yesterday I raised 843,000 naira for that woman. So those guys don't already invest Dion and the Colisimudia. They know what man they do this guy called. They please say those kind of smart. Let's say they see fraud. Abati wa buya munaria. Abati wa waria kano baya lati. So what don't worry, nothing 1 week. Deal with something because all this while they do swear to help humanity. They think they pin her well. They think they pin her. So all my people, when they pray for me, when I continue to pray for me, I don't believe in juju and I don't listen to juju. I always say. When I say I mention people, man, I will not do saga again. But this one, I just can't let people know say Naija wash don't crash. Or crash. Naija wash crash. Elvis, anyway, why you? But if I come Naija, I will give you accolade. With all the insult criticism, 308,000 followers. I not be comedian, I not be musician, I just a talk. I not be actor. I get 308,000 followers. I don't know how many community be that. 308,000, and it's still increasing. So I'm real, I'm natural. But one thing I want to be say, baby.